Welcome students to today's lesson. We are still continuing with the belts, and we want to discuss today the materials used for belts. Material used for belts and rope must be strong, flexible, and durable. It must have high coefficient of friction. The belts, according to the material used, are classified as follows. We have leather belts. The most important material for flat belt is leather. The best leather belts are made from 1.2 meters to 1.5 meters long strips cut from either side of the backbone of the top grade steer hides. The hair side of the leather is smoother and harder than the flesh side, but the flesh side is stronger. The fibers on the hair side are perpendicular to the surface, while those on the flesh side are interwoven and parallel to the surface. Therefore, for this reason, the hair side of a belt should be in contact with the pulley surface, as shown in figure 18.2. This gives a more intimate contact between belt and pulley and places the greatest tensile strength of the belt section on the outside, where the tension is maximum as the belt passes over the pulley. The leather may be either oak tanned or mineral salt tanned, e.g. chrome tanned. In order to increase the thickness of belts, the strips are cemented together. The belts are specified according to the number of layers, e.g. single, double, or triple ply, and according to the thickness of hides used, e.g. light, medium, and heavy. So another type of material used for making belt is called cotton or fabric belts. Most of the fabric belts are made by folding canvas or cotton duck to 3 or more layers, depending upon the thickness desired, and stitching together. These belts are woven also into a strip of the desired width and thickness. They are impregnated with some filler like linseed oil in order to make the belt waterproof and to prevent injury to the fiber. The cotton belts are cheaper and suitable in warm climate, in damp atmosphere, and in exposed positions. Since the cotton belt require little attention, therefore these belts are mostly used in farm machinery, belt conveyor, etc. The third type of material used for making belt is rubber belt. The rubber belts are made of layers of fabric impregnated with rubber composition and have a thin layer of rubber on the faces. These belts are very flexible but are quickly destroyed if allowed to come into contact with heat, oil, or grease. One of the principal advantages of these belts is that they may be easily made endless. These belts are found suitable for sawmills, paper mills, where they are exposed to moisture. Balata belts is the last material of belt. These belts are similar to rubber belts, except that balata gum is used in place of rubber. These belts are acid proof and waterproof, and it is not affected by animal oils or alkalis. The balata belts should not be at temperatures above 40 degrees, because at this temperature the balata begin to soften and become sticky. The strength of balata belt is 25% higher than the rubber belts. Dear students, this marks the end of our today's class. Let's meet again in the next